Well, hello everybody. This is Bud, and I welcome you to another day in the lifelong vlog blog challenge. I must, well, maybe insist is a little strong, but I tell you, if I could insist, which I can't, you are the captain of your ship, you're the head of your household. Um, you've got any number of factors that you have to consider, but I would certainly encourage you to consider just what this business model of network marketing could do for you in the long run to accomplish all of these things for which you are responsible, to whom you are responsible, if you could really see the potential here, um, what can be accomplished over a relatively short amount of time to set you and your family up uh, for, and I say this with forethought and believe it wholeheartedly, um, for generations to come. Set you up to deal with those things that you must do in the here and now, today, to be responsible in the support of your family, to be able to have the resources and the time to, say, for example, pour your life into your children so that they in turn, be there for them, so they in turn will and can be there for you later on. They may want to be there for you, but if you don't pour your life into them, or even if you do, if you don't really have anything of substance to pour into them, then they're not going to be adequately prepared um, to be able to do that, even if they want to. And of course, if you're not there for your children, odds are, even if they have the financial means, they are likely not to be there for you. Why? Because it's an amazing thing about how the brain works. We learn by what goes on around us, and if we're not taking time out for our children, then odds are that's what they're going to learn, and um, they're not going to be there for you or even recognize that that's something that is important. We want to turn the tide of how societies, the direction in which societies have been heading over the past, 100+ thousand years. I don't know, pick a time frame, but um, there are ebbs and flows in the development of societies and mankind in general, and they tend to flow, in a good direction. They tend to, over time, flow back in another direction and then back. Well, we want to be a part of the flow, the beginning of the flow, headed back in the other direction. This monetary, money making potential here is not the end all be all. It's a part of the success puzzle, okay, but there are many pieces to that, and it's just harder to focus on the other aspects if you're burdened, if you're bogged down with just being able to, make ends meet, the day to day. So, we get that addressed, we get above that, get that locked, at the same time working on these other attributes, and getting those around us to awaken to that, knowledge and understanding, and working on those things as well. And then all of our quality of life and that of our children and, our local community and society at large um, benefits as a result. So, um, lofty goal, yes. It's going to take some time. It's going to take some some effort. It's going to take a concerted effort over a sustained period of time. Is it possible? Yes. History has shown that such things are possible. It's happened before. It can happen again. And if not now, then when, by golly? Anyway, that's enough. Typing results today, 45 words per minute, 17.2 error percentage, 7 minutes, 58 seconds, time. And speaking of time, that's enough. Okay, so that's it. This is Bud. I am looking forward to the next time we can spend time together. Hopefully that will be as early as tomorrow. But if not, then hopefully sooner than later. Until then, by all means, do take care and do be doing what you ought to be doing as much as you can. Goodbye.